Good afternoon. We're here
Yeah,
in
but
Mary
mukbang.
Gace.
Yeah, whatever. I think
Mike
that's what
is
you
eating
call it.
pasta.
Oh.
We are just enjoying. The young was there with the Wi-Fi link. And this is Micah. And the great Barry. The handsome man. Hi.
Barry is the most handsome.
Yeah.
Barry is
Oh.
a handsome man.
And see?
He's got it going on.
This is the carbonara. And Mike is enjoying his food.
Doom. Alright. Oh.
Still, we're waiting for...
Did you see Barry's wedding photo?
Yeah.
The whole way.
At Tagaytay, all you see the place is nice.
You notice he put it by the CR.
Look at Barry. He got his moustache like this. Like Hitler, I don't yes.
Yeah, it was like, I saw that. There's no red, no black pepper, but it's okay. Red pepper.
Hindi pa dumadating isa. Just waiting for another one. The Caesar side, the truffle rice, and the
Yeah,
real.
good. But I share. I'll share with you. I want to taste yours. You have a...
What? Carbonara.
Wait, no, it's mushroom.
Yeah, you don't
I
like
don't like-
mushroom, yeah.
I don't like mushroom. The pumpkin.
Yeah, baby. Don't do that. Yeah.
Yeah, just really funny. It's really good. Yeah. Really good steak.
You see, there's a note. Dear Mary Grace, oh, the notes.
What's that?
The
Ah.
notes from Malaysia.
I'm gonna be glad.
Yeah, they're having a notes there.
A little bacon. Yeah, bacon in it. It's good.
I gonna end up this one. Enjoy
You're
eating,
gonna end
baby.
it, okay.
Wow.
Kampai.
Bye-bye. Yeah.
More fun to that.